project we're looking at today has huge upside. It has a tiny market cap, under $3 million, which would make it a micro cap. It has tons of use case and a really ambitious roadmap. Let's take a look at Checkdot. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel, where I try to find the best sources of passive income through farming and staking of blue chips and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on the video. Really appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. The main website we're going to be on is app.checkdot.io. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the documentation to see exactly what this project is. Checkdot is designed to be the ultimate blockchain technology tool for end users and developers, offering a various range of services that can help simplify and innovate customers' experience on cryptocurrency and blockchain world. Okay, the services available currently are decentralized insurance, which is really interesting, staking pools, which we're going to look at in a little while, decentralized 24-hour bet protocol, and a manual smart contract audit service. Those are the four that they're listed currently. And then they show what's live right now that they're doing Binance Smart Chain. I believe that's insurance covers, and they're planning on doing covers for Ethereum as well. So if you want to get covered, you would click on these and they would show you different options. Staking pools are live, it looks like, on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. And then decentralized 24-hour bet protocols are planned. So that's in the future. And then they're doing, currently they're doing manual smart contract audits on Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Tron Network. All right, and they go on and they had this ecosystem overview. You guys got to remember, this project is under a $3 million market cap, and they have all this stuff going for them already. It says Checkdot provides 3 main services and some sub-services with everything you need for your protection and digital finance. Our services are decentralized insurance, token staking. Let's kind of go over the same stuff that they're doing. They show you how to buy insurance. They're showing how to stake. They're showing the risks of staking. And then they're showing the decentralized audits. And that's really interesting to me. I wanted to show you kind of how they do that. If we go to the audits, there's a list of them here, I believe, on this page here. Risk tracker. List of analyzed projects. And they show all these projects that they've analyzed and they give them a score. You can filter the from like moderate risk to high risk to low risk. I just clicked on low risk. And that shows all these different projects that they've analyzed to see the risk factor for it, the website where you can buy it, price, total supply, and all that. So if you go to high risk, they're obviously going to be lower scores, but they're still going to kind of go over what it is. So a lot of these are pre-sale. Some of them don't even have a place where you can buy it. And then we'll take a look over here at the insurance. You can get insurance on certain assets. They show here like on different exchanges. Like there's a capacity available. There's 57,000, 70,000 on different various exchanges. And then it says that the monthly cost is, I guess, a percentage of what the amount that you're insuring. Then it shows the risk score for each exchange, and obviously FTX is the worst. It says not available yet, hopefully not available ever. And then there's some other decentralized exchanges in here, like Radium, that's Solana one, Benkey, Uniswap. Go down here, PancakeSwap, and different other ones there. So, and there's one other thing for the project trust score here. It says the trust score corresponds to the addition of 3 scores according to 3 criteria: a maturity score, which is the project age, a community score, which is the holder's social networks and etc. or other things, and then a technical score. It says Go plus scan plus Checkdot scan plus token if a token has an audit. The result of these three scores determines a score between 0 and 100, which is the trust score. This is how are the projects found. They're currently found CoinGecko, Unicrypt, Pink Sale Private, and manually by form. Oh, if somebody fills out the form and submits it to Checkdot. Again, with a project like this, it's high risk, high reward. I just want to make sure you know that. The statistics on the token, the CDT token, is $2.768 million market cap, which is tiny. Price currently is at 27.6 cents. Before I show you how to stake, they're going to show you the risks of staking. Understand the risk before making the investment. Rewards are not guaranteed, as they are always subject to protocol changes and can also be affected by external factors. Following factors can affect staking and rewards: cyber attacks, locking period, which is 15-day lockout, and liquidity and volatility. Cyber attacks, there's an inherent risk that cyber attacks may occur. That's basically with any staking protocol. Please note the tokens staked in that capital pool are not entitled to any insurance coverage from Checkdot.io. So they're not part of the insurance coverage. Because there's insurance staking, there is more risk. This is the regular staking, which doesn't have that insurance risk. And the lockup period, which is 15 days. Okay, we are on the staking page of app.checkdot.io/earn, and there's 2 pools currently open. One is the 100 tokens to 10,000 tokens, which is paying at 9.0% APY and 20% APY for the 10,000 to 100,000 pool. So the current minimum to stake is 100 and the current maximum is 100,000. So I don't think anybody's going to have 100,000 that's watching my video. Probably not. If you do, good for you. So that's how that works. Basically, all you do is you go to Pancake Swap. You swap. What I swapped was BNB for the CDT token, and then I brought it over here and then hit select, and then you just go ahead and you stake it. That's all there really is to it, and it's on the Binance Smart Chain. I believe it's on Ethereum too, because that's what the bridge is. They do have a bridge. If you do have Ethereum tokens to bridge over to Binance Smart Chain to stake. And remember, there is a 15-day lock period, so you cannot unlock your tokens for 15 days. So just be prepared to be without them for the 15-day period. And there's no impermanent loss on any of these current pools, because there's CDT and CDT for all the liquidity for the entire pair are both the Checkdot token. All right, let's take a look at price action on the CDT Checkdot token. It's currently at 25.8 cents, I should say. The tokenomics is great because the total supply is 10 million. Max supply is 10 million. 73.9% of the tokens are in circulating supply currently. They're showing the market cap as 1.9 million. I think that might be a little low. The all-time high is 50.3 cents. That was November 15th of 2021. So it's 2x to its all-time high, but tiny amount of tokens, 7.39 million currently in circulation. This thing could do a 25 to 50x in a bull market. So yeah, I am a fan of this one. I'm gonna continue to DCA into this. Anything around 20 cents, I'm a buyer. None of this is financial advice. This project was brought up in the comments of one of my videos. I really appreciate whoever brought it up. Continue to leave new projects in the comments that I'm missing, especially the low market cap gems. Do appreciate that. So we'll just keep trying to do at least one low market cap gem per week. Thank you for watching as always, and have a great day.